So we're at Laverne's here this morning with Corey Gackey. Some of you may know her as the mayor of Leeds in Thousand Islands Township. Some of you may know her as a mortgage broker. We're here to talk about her first car. So Corey, tell us.
I bought my first car at Gananoque. I had just recently finished college and was moving to Toronto. So as soon as Friday night came, I was out of the city, and
So you needed wheels.
I needed wheels.
Yeah.
And I got a 2-door hot pink Cavalier. I was such a tomboy. The fact that I had a pink car was very ironic. We dubbed it Super Pink. So that was the name of the car, and that car took me all over the province of Ontario. But where the story gets interesting is when I decided to leave Toronto. We couldn't afford a house there, and we wanted to make a life. We decided to buy a farm back here, and I needed to start my business. I was working for a mortgage brokerage in Toronto, and I needed a laptop. Laptops at that point in time were about $1,500 and up. So I sold my mom my Super Pink car for $1,500, and that's how I started my business. So I've been a mortgage broker for 18 years.
That started with Super Pink.
It all started with Super Pink. So I'm very grateful to have had that car. We had a lot of great times in it. A lot of joy, a lot of miles, a lot of fun.
What makes you keep coming back to Gananoque?
Gananoque is a great community supporter, and they deserve all the accolades because they are committed to the community, and that's what business is about, give and take.